Which choice best states the main idea of the text? Conservationists worldwide are working to protect ecosystems from habitat destruction and biodiversity loss, and in many cases, initiatives that rely on natural features or processes can help address such challenges. In response to a rapidly dwindling population of blueback salmon, the Quinault Indian Nation, a tribe in Washington state, partnered with the conservation organization Wild Salmon Center to restore naturally occurring logjams in the Quinault River. The logjams create shady pools where the blueback salmon can rest and spawn, thus promoting blueback population recovery. So looking at this text, we can clearly see that the main focus of the text is highlighted in the first sentence, where the conservationists are working to promote habitat destruction and biodiversity loss. And these initiatives rely on natural features or processes that can help address such challenges. And then it gives an example of the blueback salmon and how a cooperation or collaboration between an Indian Nation tribe in Washington state and a conservation organization, the Wild Salmon Center, work together to promote the naturally occurring logjams. So these logjams created shady pools where the blueback salmon can rest and spawn, which helped promote the population recovery of these salmon. So now with this information, we can look at the answer choices. A. A partnership between the Quinault Indian Nation and Wild Salmon Center shows the importance of collaborative approaches to preserving biodiversity. So this is incorrect because although this is mentioned major detail in the text, where this collaboration between these two groups was one of the key examples in the text, this is the example, not the main idea of the text. Because the main idea is highlighted in the first sentence, and this idea is focusing on how natural features or processes can help address just challenges to help protect or prevent habitat destruction and biodiversity loss. The focus isn't on the partnership between the two groups, so we can eliminate option choice A. B. Nature-based approaches can be effective ways to achieve conservationist goals. So this seems to be the correct answer because the text highlights how the initiatives that rely on natural features or processes can help address such challenges. These challenges are referring to preventing habitat destruction and biodiversity loss. So it highlights how natural features or processes can help in these processes. So this supports the idea that nature-based approaches can be effective. And later on, it gives this example of how logjams, which are naturally occurring, were used to help promote the population of blueback salmon. So in this case, we can clearly see that the nature-based approaches can be effective ways to achieve conservation goals. So overall, B seems to be the correct answer. C. As indicated by a recent project, logjams help the blueback salmon thrive and reproduce. This is incorrect because this is clearly a small detail in the text, not the main idea of the text, because the main idea is focused on natural features or processes, not on the specific benefits of logjams. So with that, we can eliminate option choice C. D. Scientists now realize that nature-based conservation methods offer better long-term solutions to environmental issues than methods that are not nature-based do. This is incorrect because the text does not mention any method that is not nature-based. Instead, it solely focuses on nature-based solutions and how they can help address such challenges. It doesn't say anywhere that these are the best solutions. It just says that they can be useful. Therefore, we can eliminate D because this is not mentioned at all in the text. And with this, we know that the correct answer is B.